Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com, and today I can't wait to share with you this simple spring tablescape. Alright, welcome back to my channel again. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is a beautiful sunny day here in northern Alberta and the snow is finally melting away. We've been suffering through more than a month of the coldest temperatures we've seen in years, but this week the sun is finally out, the temperatures are rising, and it is starting to feel like spring outside. I absolutely love the energy that spring brings with it. Winter always seems to bring slow and cozy days, but spring always seems to bring this really light, fresh energy with it. Now, if you've been following along with me for a while, you'll know that I am a huge lover of all things neutral. But if you caught the shopping haul video that I shared last week, you'll know that I did happen to pick up a few colorful things on my latest shopping trip in the city. So in today's spring tablescape, you'll notice a few subtle pops of color, some simple and classic neutrals, and a few sprigs of fresh flowers scattered throughout. Because really, what would spring be without some fresh flowers? So let's get started. Okay, so it all started with this classic buffalo check tablecloth and the blush pink striped napkins that I picked up on my latest shopping trip in the city. I really think they paired so perfectly with the classic white dishes and flatware that I already had. So to set this beautiful table, I started with these simple hyacinth placemats. I love the texture and warmth they bring to this tablescape. On top of that, I stacked my favorite white dishes and flatware. I use these dishes every day and I think they look right at home with any table setting. I laid those pretty striped pink napkins on top for a subtle pop of color. And finally, I stacked a smaller plate on top of that. To add a bit of interest down the center of my table, I simply scattered a few bottle vases filled with sprigs of fresh flowers, and then mixed in a collection of mercury glass candle holders. I love that these candle holders come as a set, so there is no mixing and matching or guesswork to be done here. And the white and gold accents on them makes them perfect for spring and summer all the way through to winter. A blush pink pillow on either end chair ties in perfectly with those striped pink napkins and helps to complete this look. This tablescape was so quick and easy to put together, and I absolutely love the light and airy look for spring. I hope you love this tablescape as much as I do, and that you found some inspiration for your own spring decorating this season. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.